Once upon a time, in the African forest lived all the animals under wise rule of the forest. The forest was next to a tribal village. One night, a lame tiger out of the forest. Sher Khan decided to hunt the villagers for food. He attacked the village with loud shouts.
शेर खान बड़ा साइलेंट
The jackal, who was his sidekick, was following Sher Khan while catching a man. Sher Khan jumped right on the fire and roared loudly. So was watching the view, sitting outside the cave with her cubs. Discover tiger, hunting the biggest ones, humans. After all, he is early. How can we expect him to hunt our deer? Looks like he got nothing but a leg. The roaring has stopped, and once again it was silence in the forest. While wolves were talking, they saw a small rustling of bushes. Father Wolf took his position to jump right at it. Baby, come out from the bushes. The man cub. The baby has escaped from the village and crawled to the wolf cave. I keep him with me and raise him like my cubs. I name him Mowgli. Raksha, I don't think the pack will expect my cub. I'll see to it. Tapaki was hiding behind the cave and told the Sher Khan about the man's cub. Sher Khan immediately reached the cave. That man cub is my prey and over him to me. Go away, you lame cowboy. He's my cat. You just don't even dare to touch his hair. Sher Khan, who was injured in fire, left the place after seeing the murderers. One day, this kid will be under my paws and teeth. Today, they presented Mowgli to the wolf pack. After a long debate and with the consent of Bagheera, pack accepted the Mowgli. Bagheera and Baloo accepted to teach in the rules of the forest and described that he must return to his tribe when he grows up. To grow up in the forest, learning forest was flaming. Baloo taught him all the jungle laws. He taught him to speak animal languages. Mowgli was sitting on the tree and giving honey to Baloo and fishing in the pond, getting the honey and catching the fishes. While Bagheera taught him the self-defense. Bagheera was raised by a man himself, so he kept Mowgli connected to his humanity and instructed him that one day he will have to return to his own kind. Soon Mowgli becomes fond of the forest. He was loved by his brother whose cubs. Soon he became friends with all the animals in the forest. As the years passed by, Akela, the leader of the wolf pack, was unable to hunt as before. Sher Khan decided to take advantage of her weakness. You young boys, it's time for you to lead the pack. Remove that Akela from the position. To be the man cub. I will always hunt in your territory and not give you anything I want to eat. The young wolf told Akela to leave the position. You are cowards. If you are giving Mowgli to Sher Khan, agree to step down as a leader. If you let Mowgli go, I heard about this meeting. Please time to show. Does Sher Khan his place? It's time to fight. How can I leave him alone? This is whole package with Sher Khan now. You go to the man's village and get the red flower. Red flower will scare them away. Better the forest now and leave my tent. Mowgli hugged Bagheera and Baloo and cried for the first time in life. Was sleeping on Baloo's stomach. Bagheera was sleeping on the tree. But they all fell asleep on the tree. Monkey troops came. The monkey troop saw Mowgli and carried him away. These monkeys were craziest animals in the forest who live without any laws. When Baloo and Bagheera woke up, the thought that Mowgli must have left for the village. Mowgli was carried away through the forest tree by monkeys. Soon he spotted Chil, the kite, flying around. Mowgli told him he must talk to inform Baloo and Bagheera where the monkeys take him.
चैन खेल रहा
Shut your mouth. Dad and friends. We want to run. Our research found you. We soon rule the forest. It ran to control our animals. She told Baloo and Bagheera about Mowgli's kidnapping. Where can Mowgli? In the courtyard. It is an abandoned city in the forest. These are cunning and dangerous. Can't fight them alone. Must ask for help. They convinced Kaa the snake to come and help them. They all went to the ruins. Monkeys hide Mowgli under a giant tomb. As Bagheera entered, for its stepstone, he bite and threw the monkeys away. But there were so many that he was overpowered soon. In the water pond, I will take care of this prison monkeys here and there, but soon he was overpowered. All the monkeys sat on his stomach and all monkeys were scared away and climbed on the tree. Kaa broke the room where Mowgli was hidden and freed him. Oh, what a delicious meal! Kaa accorded Mowgli and there he started to dance, which hypnotized the monkeys and he took them away with her. This forest not for me. Mouse, I should leave the forest soon. Mowgli bid a last goodbye to Bagheera and Baloo and left for the village. The villagers were first afraid of the Mowgli. This kid's from far forest might be an impostor. He can't do it. He looks the sincere. You are making just enchantments. He looks the come my chariots. You stare at me. So Mowgli became familiar with the village life. He learned their language too. They gave him the job to do hunt the gantles. His friend Bagheera and Baloo used to meet him on the mountain one day. One day his wolf brother come to meet him. A bag is in trouble. Sher Khan has decided kill the wolves one by one. Better feed me. Sher Khan, why should I care for you now? He has no of Chemat. Towel mother, just don't slide. We are chimney. He went to take the leave. Which? What? It's mother. She died fighting Sher Khan. He came with to the cave asking for you, but she didn't utter a word. Now, I will not spare Sher Khan. Scattered in the canyon, Sher Khan hid. Rode on one of the buffalo. As he reached the canyon, joined Akela, a real leader of the pack. He takes some cattle in about its direction. I will bring them. Nothing from here. Sher Khan will. They left the cattle running towards the Sher Khan. The whole canyon started rumbling with their stamping of foot and heard the tumbling of the hoof. Looking from side to side, saw someone out the skip, but the wall of the canyon was still, and there's no way to skip. Cattle came running all with and tripped and went over on Sher Khan. Bull crushed Sher Khan in the mud. The buffaloes ran over him. There was no need of more running. It was over. It was the end of the Sher Khan, the enemy of the village and the forest. Yeah!